So dear students, good evening to each and everyone. We are studying signals and system in comprehensive manner, and already we completed total 11 lectures. This is lecture number 12. First of all, tell me, am I audible properly? Audio and video both are clear? Tell me, yes or no? Okay, so let us start, guys. In last class, we have seen how to write mathematical expression, the graphical representation of the signal. Now let us continue. Let us continue further. Okay, so topic is writing mathematical expression of signals from graphical representation, and this is part 2, guys. So let us solve next question, guys. This is very good question, guys. Okay, so let us start, guys. Now first of all, observe the sudden change in amplitude and linear change in amplitude at each and every instant, guys. So here we can see, here there is a linear change in amplitude, sorry, sudden change in amplitude as well as linear change in amplitude, guys. Correct? Here at t equal to -4, sudden change in amplitude as well as linear change in amplitude, and at t equal to 3, guys, only linear change in amplitude, only linear change in amplitude. At t equal to 5, guys, you can see here there is a sudden change in amplitude as well as there is a linear change in amplitude. Correct? Sorry, at t equal to 5, only sudden change in amplitude, guys, only sudden change in amplitude from -6 to 8. At t equal to 6, guys, you can say at t equal to 6, this is at t equal to 6, guys. At t equal to 6, there is a linear change in amplitude. Okay, this is at t equal to 6, guys. This is at t equal to 6. This point is at t equal to 7, guys. T equal to 7. So here at t equal to 7, at t equal to 7, at t equal to 7, you can see here there is a linear change in amplitude as well as there is a sudden change in amplitude, guys. Linear change in amplitude as well as sudden change in amplitude from this point to this point, guys. Correct? And at t equal to 9, there is a linear change in amplitude as well as sudden change in amplitude, guys. Clear? Tell me in comment box. Any doubt? Okay. So here now let us write its mathematical expression, guys. So here I am writing. First of all, you have to find the slope value also, guys. Find the value of slope. Find the value of this slope, guys. So this is dy. This is dy and this is dx, guys. So what is the value of dy? You can see here the value of dy is 8. And what is the value of dx? This is 4, guys. So what is the value of this slope? Dy by dx. So slope is 2, and as this is decreasing, so that's why slope is -2, guys. Correct? Now here slope value is 0. Here slope value is 0. Now let us calculate value of slope, this one. So here dy by dx, guys. So here dx 6 and 7. This is 6, this is 7. So dx is 1. What is the value of dy? Dy, guys. So you can see here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, guys. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is 4. So this one, guys, this is dy. You can see here. This is the value of dy. So dy is 4, dx is 1. Correct? Dy is 4, dx is 1. That's why here value of slope is what? Dy by dx -4, because this is decreasing. So slope is -4. Here calculate the value of slope here, guys. Dy by dx, this one. So dy correct? See here, what is the value of dy? So dy is 1, and dx guys, this value is 7, this is 7, okay, this is 7, and this is 9 guys. So 9 here, 9 and 7, so dx is 2, dy is 1, so dy by dx slope is minus 1 by 2. Why minus sign? Because decreasing slope, that's why it is minus 1 by 2. Here slope value is 0 guys. Clear? Fine. Here slope value is 0. Now at t equal to minus 4, sudden change in amplitude as well as linear change in amplitude, both guys, at t equal to minus 4. So let us write x of t guys. X of t here. X of t is nothing but, so sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 8 guys. So it is u of t plus 4. Now linear change also present, that's why r of t plus 4 guys. And at t equal to 3 guys, this is at t equal to 3, so at t equal to 3 only linear change, so r of t minus 3, correct? At t equal to 5 only sudden change, so u of t minus 5. Now at t equal to 7 guys, here this is a value of t is 7, so at t equal to 7 linear change as well as sudden change guys. So linear change as well as sudden change, r of t minus 7 as well as sudden change, that is u of t minus 7 guys, correct? And at t equal to 9 guys, at t equal to 9 again linear change as well as sudden change guys, so r of t minus 9 and u of t minus 9. Clear? Okay, very good. Okay guys, now sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 8. So next amplitude minus previous amplitude, here 8 guys. Now here ramp function also there, next slope minus previous slope, okay, this is the next slope, this is the previous slope, so change in slope is next slope minus previous slope, so minus 2 minus 0, here it is minus 2 guys, correct? This is minus 2. Now next here ramp function, so next slope minus previous slope, next slope is 0, previous slope is minus 2 to minus plus, so here it is plus 2, change in slope, clear? Is this clear to each and everyone? At t equal to 7 sudden change, why sudden change? Because amplitude, sudden change in amplitude from 4 to 10 guys, here you can see sudden change in amplitude from 4 to, here you can see sudden change in amplitude from 4 to 10, correct? Sudden change in amplitude you can see here from 4 to 10, sudden change in amplitude from 4 to 10, got it? Okay. Now here at t equal to minus 5, so at t equal to minus 5 only sudden change in amplitude from minus 6, you can see minus 6 to 8, so next amplitude minus previous amplitude, 8 minus 6, so here it is plus 14. Now here linear change and sudden change both guys, so next slope minus previous slope, you can see here next slope minus previous slope, so what is the next slope guys? Next slope is minus 1 by 2 and previous slope is minus 4, so it is what? Minus 1 by 2 plus 4, so it is 7 by 2 guys. So here difference in slope is plus 7 by 2, done, 7 by 2, okay. Here next sudden change guys, at t equal to 9 sudden change, so sudden change in amplitude from 9 to 0 guys, so next amplitude minus previous amplitude, 0 minus 9, so it is minus 9. And linear change in amplitude also there guys, linear change in amplitude, so linear change in amplitude, that's why next slope minus previous slope, 0 minus 1 by 2, so it is, sorry, at t equal to 7 guys, sorry, at t equal to 7 here, my mistake, at t equal to 7, sudden change amplitude from 4 to 10 guys, so next amplitude minus previous amplitude, 10 minus 4, so here it is plus 6 guys. And here guys ramp signal 9, so next slope minus previous slope, 0 minus 1 by 2, so it is plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and here sudden change in amplitude from 9 to 0, so 0 minus 9, so it is minus 9. So this is your answer, guys. This will be your final answer. This will be your final answer. Any doubt? Now tell me. Any doubt, guys? Clear to each and everyone? Now tell me. Is this clear? Is this clear? So this is very much important topic, guys. Nowadays they are asking questions from this topic. Writing the mathematical expression, or you have to represent or express its a mathematical expression of this, or express mathematical expression from the graphical representation of the signal in the form of singular function. Singular function means standard function. Standard elementary signal is also known as the singular function. Fine. So here this is the final answer. Now next question. Okay, so here we completed this topic, guys. Last topic was writing the mathematical expression from the graphical representation of the signal. Now here some questions based on the properties of the doublet function. Okay, properties of the doublet function. So we know that. Now you can solve this question, guys. We can try this question. Integration minus 2 to t minus 3 del 2t plus 3 plus 8 cos pi t into del dash t minus 0.5. So this is nothing but what? Doublet function. First derivative of impulse function is the doublet function, and we know that the property, guys, minus infinite to plus infinite, minus infinite to plus infinite, x of t into del dash t minus t naught, del dash t minus t naught dt, which is equal to minus 1 power n equal to 1, first order differentiation, to minus dx of t by dt, and this value is at t equal to t naught, guys. Okay, this is at t equal to t naught. Clear to each and everyone? Fine. Okay, very good, guys. Okay, now here you can use this property. Guys. So here this integral I is equal to minus 2 to 2, here t minus 3. Now scaling property of this impulse function, del scaling property, del 2t plus 3. So here scaling factor is 2, guys. So it is nothing but 1 by mod 2 del, it is t plus 3 by 2. Clear? dt plus 8 is common, integration minus 2 to 2 cos pi t del dash t minus 0.5 dt, guys. Now for this integral, for this second part, use this property, guys. So here you can consider this is x of t. Let us consider this is the x of t, guys. Okay, as this is x of t, so here I is equal to, now in this directly you can use the property. Here t naught is equal to minus 3 by 2, simple sampling property. So put the value of t naught equal to minus 3 by 2 here. So it is minus 3 by 2 minus 3. This is the answer of first integral, plus 8. Now according to this property, minus d by dt of this is the x of t, differentiation of x of t. So d by dt of cos pi t. Okay, and here you have to put t equal to, what is the value of t naught here? Here what is the value of t naught? So you can see t naught is equal to 0.5, guys. T naught is equal to 0.5. So here t is equal to, t naught is equal to 0.5. Correct? So the value of integral, I is equal to, this is nothing but minus 1.5, and this is minus 3, guys. So it is minus 4.5. Clear? Plus 8. Now differentiation. So minus pi sine pi t. Clear? Minus sine pi t. So minus plus, guys. This minus sign, and differentiation of cos also minus sign. Correct? So that's why minus plus, and here t equal to 0.5. So if you put t equal to 0.5, then it becomes sin pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 1 guys. Sin pi by 2 1. So that's why I is equal to minus 4.5 plus 8. Now sin pi by 2 1, so it is 8 pi. So tell me the numerical value guys. After putting the value of pi 3.14, what is the final answer? Tell me in comment box. What is the final answer guys? Put the value of pi 3.14 and tell me the final value guys. Tell me the final value. So here 3.14 into 8 minus 4.5 guys. Okay. So which is equal to, I am getting 8 into 3.14 minus 4.5 minus 20.62 guys. Please check once, all of you. All of you are getting 20.62 guys. 20.62 is this correct answer guys. So tell me your answer. 20.63, yes, that is the right answer. Fine, this is the correct answer guys. So here 20.62 is the right answer for this question. I hope all the students got this correct answer. Audio video clear guys? Audio video is fine today? Audio and video both are clear? Okay, so let us take next question. Let us take next question guys. Okay, now solve this question. Solve this question and tell me the right answer for this question. Tell me the correct answer for this question guys. Achha, buffering little bit. Okay, so tell me guys here. So again you have to use the property of doublet function. Property of the doublet function. So same as previous one. Same as previous one. Tell me the correct answer for this question. Tell me the right answer for this question. Four e power minus 4 final answer. I want final answer guys. Numerical answer type question. They can ask in numerical answer type question. So I want final answer. Numerical answer type question. So again same thing guys. Let us consider this is x of t guys. X of t, and here the value of t naught is 2. Then the value of this integral I is equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, minus infinite to plus infinite. So here differentiation guys, minus d by dt of 5 e to the power minus t square, and here value of this is at 2 guys, correct? So if you do the differentiation, then minus sign here, so 5 e to the power minus t square, and differentiation t square is minus 2t guys, clear? And value at t equal to 2. So here I is equal to this minus and plus. If you put the value of 2 here, so 4 into 5, so it is 20 e to the power minus 4 guys, 20 e to the power minus 4. So what is the numerical answer? 20 into e to the power minus 4. Final numerical answer type question. It is the numerical answer type question guys. So 20 e to the power minus 4 into 20 guys. So I think 0 point, you will get 0.366 guys. So 0.366 is the right answer of this question. Fine, clear? Any doubt? So this is a question based on the property of the doublet function, guys. Clear? I hope all of you are getting. So this is the end of this topic. Now next topic is, guys, next topics, and this is also very much important, different operations that we can perform on the signals. So each and every signal has two variables, one on x-axis, that is time. So we can perform different operation on time, that is on x-axis, like time shifting, that is right shift or left shift by certain amount of time. Signal will shift right shift or left shift by certain amount of time with respect to x-axis. Similarly, next is we can perform a next operation is like time scaling. So signal expansion or compression depending on the scaling factor, and then time reversal, that is the folding with respect to y-axis, that is known as time reversal. Similarly, we can perform the different operation on the another variable, dependent variable on the y-axis, that's amplitude. Okay, so again we can perform the operation like amplitude shifting, up shift or down shift. Amplitude scaling, like amplification of the signal, that is increasing the signal strength or signal amplitude, or amplitude or attenuation, that is decreasing of the signal strength, guys. Okay, and last operation is amplitude reversal, that is the folding with respect to x-axis, 1 degree phase shift we can say between input output, like op-amp inverter circuit. Okay, so that different operations we can perform on the time as well as amplitude. One by one we will see each and everything. So first we will see different operations that we can perform on time, that is on x-axis, guys, on x-axis. So first, as I told you guys, time shifting means like a y of t is equal to x of t minus t naught. Okay, t naught is shift value, guys. It can be positive, it can be negative. T naught is any constant shift value. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be integer, it can be a non-integer also, guys. Okay, so depending on t naught, the signal can shift entire right side, left side, okay, by certain amount of time. Second is time scaling. So here time scaling means y of t, which is equal to x of alpha t. T become alpha t. Here t become t minus t naught. Here t become alpha t, guys. So again, depending on the value of alpha, expansion, time expansion or time compression, guys. Okay, suppose alpha greater than 1 to time compression, then alpha less than 1, then expansion, guys. Okay, so here signal width increase or decrease, signal width. And then if alpha equal to minus 1, then y of t equal to x of minus t. T become minus t, that is folding with respect to y-axis. It is known as the time reversal operation. Clear? Time reversal operation, guys. Fine, time reversal operation. Now let us see the first operation, that is operation on similarly amplitude shifting, guys. Similarly operation amplitude shifting, like suppose y of t is equal to adding certain constant amplitude in x of t, guys. X of t plus a, that is again depending on the value of a, the signal can completely upshift or downshift, guys. Okay, upshift or downshift, a positive upshift, a negative downshift. Similarly amplitude scaling, so y of t is equal to k into x of t. Here again depending on the value of k, guys, signal amplification or attenuation. If k greater than 1, then amplification, k less than 1, then attenuation. And if k equal to minus 1, then amplitude reversal. If k equal to minus 1, then it is known as amplitude reversal. Guys. Fine. Okay, now let us start with very first operation, that is operation on time. And first is time shifting, that means y of t is equal to x of t minus t naught. Okay, now let us understand with one example. Let us consider x of t is a signal. Suppose amplitude is 2 between minus 1 and 3, and it is 0 otherwise. It is 0 guys. Okay, let us represent this graphically. So graphically it looks like this. Graphically, so between -1 and 3 amplitude is 2 guys. So here between -1 and 3 you can say amplitude is 2. Okay, so between -1 and 3 amplitude is 2, and otherwise amplitude is 0. This is x of t. Now I am asking to draw number 1 guys. I'm asking to draw number 1, y of t is equal to x of t minus 2, and second draw y of t is equal to x of t plus 3 guys. Okay, so let us draw both the signal one by one. So first of all, first draw y of t is equal to x of t minus 2 guys. Now see, in x of t, left hand side t become t minus 2. Here we are replacing t with t minus 2. Here in this we are replacing t with t minus 2 equal to left hand side, t with t minus 2. Right hand side also everywhere you have to replace t with t minus 2. So replace t with t minus 2 guys. So it is 2. So -1 plus 2. Here -2, then here +2 guys. Here also see t plus 2 guys. So which is equal to, this is 1 less than t less than 5, which is equal to 0. Otherwise. Clear? So draw this graphically and tell me whether this is right shifted version or left shifted version. Draw graphically and tell me right shifted. So this is x of t minus 2. Now it is 1 between, it is 2 between 1 and 5 guys. Is there any change in signal width? Is there any change in signal width? No guys. You can see here there is no change in signal width. It is 2 between 1 and 5. It is 2 between 0, 1 and 5. Amplitude is 2. Clear? Amplitude is 2 between 1 and 5. Okay. Is there any change in signal width guys? Tell me. Is there any change in signal width? No. Time shifting operation doesn't alter the width of the given signal. Here you can see signal width is 4, and here also same thing guys, signal width is 4. So there is no change in the signal width while performing the time shifting operation. First conclusion, there is no change in the signal width guys. There is no change in the signal width. Now tell me, with respect to this, this is right shifted or left shifted guys? So can we say this x of t is right shifted by 2 unit? Yes or no? By 2 unit. If we add here 2 in 3 guys, then it become 5. Add 2 here, then it become 1 guys. Okay. So simple shortcut is what? -2. T minus 2, that is right shifted. And right shifted only possible when, if you add 2 in each and every instant where amplitude is changes guys. You have to add 2 guys. Simple shortcut. Add 2 here and add 2 here guys. Correct? Then you will get the right shifted version. So -2 or -3, -4, whatever it is, t minus something, that means what? Right shifted guys. This is right shifted. Yes or no? Tell me. This is right shifted. Correct? So here we can say this is the what? Right shifted. Now tell me, it is advanced or delayed? Right shifted. Now advanced or delayed guys? Advanced version of this or delayed version of this guys? This x of t minus 2 is advanced version of this or delayed version of this guys? Tell me, advanced or delay? Tell me in comment box, advance or delay? Tell me, advance or delay? Yes guys, very good. It is what guys? Delayed version. Because you can see here, this step occurs at t equal to 3 guys. This step occurs at t equal to 3, and after shifting, now this step occurs at t equal to 5 guys. So this is at t equal to 5, and this is after shifting, this is at t equal to, sorry, before shifting, this sudden change at t equal to 3, and after shifting, same sudden change at t equal to 5. So it is delayed or advanced guys. Okay, previously it was 3, now it is 5 guys. So of course it is delayed version guys. Delayed version, correct? So right shifting operation is nothing but what? Delayed version, delay. Delayed, we can say. Clear? Delayed guys. Fine? Okay. If you have any doubt, then please ask. Okay, great. Great guys. Now let us try second one. Second example is, you have to draw y of t is equal to x of t plus 3 guys. So again same procedure, left hand side t become t plus 3, you are replacing t become t with t plus 3 right hand side, so right hand side also same changes. So replace t with t plus 3 guys, t with t plus 3. So it is 2, here it is minus 1 minus 3 less than t, and t 3 minus 3 guys. So you can see 2, it is minus 4 and 0, and amplitude is 0 otherwise. Now tell me, left shifted or right shifted in this case? Right shifted or left shifted guys? Right shifted or left shifted? So it is 2 between minus 4 and 0 guys. Now it is 2 between minus 4 and 0. Minus 1, 0, it is amplitude is 2. This is x of t plus 3. So it is what guys? Again, there is no change in the signal width. There is no change in the signal width guys. T equal to 4. Now right shifted or left shifted with respect to x of t. This is what? Left shifted version guys. This is what? Left shifted version. Okay. See, with respect to this. Now this sudden change occurs at minus 1. This sudden change occurs at minus 1 guys. And after shifting, the same sudden change occurs at minus 4 guys. So previously minus 1, now minus 4. So of course it is what? Advanced version, and this is the left shifted guys. Advanced version and left shifted. Correct? It is the left shifted version guys. And advanced. Clear? Fine. So simply what you have to do guys? T plus 3, then subtract 3. If it is t plus 3, then subtract 3 from each and every instant where amplitude changes guys. Simply you have to subtract 3. Subtract 3 from this, so it will become minus 4. Subtract 3, then it becomes 0 guys. Then you will get x of t plus 3. This is the simple shortcut that you can remember guys. Okay, simple shortcut. See. So what is the shortcut? So here y of t is equal to, suppose, x of t minus 2. Then simply have to add. Here it is what guys? It is right shift, signal will shift right side guys. So it is only possible, right shift only possible if you add 2 guys. Okay, suppose x minus 2, so this will shift right side only when if you add 2 here and 2 here guys. Correct? X of t minus 2 means what? Right shifted. Right shifting, guys. So it is only possible if you add 2 here and 2 here, guys. So simply what you have to do? Right shifted, then add 2, guys. Add 2. Add 2 in each and every instant on x axis. Okay. And similarly, suppose x of t plus 3, guys. T plus 3, then it is what, guys? Left shift, and signal will shift left side only when signal will shift left side only when if you subtract 3, guys. This still goes left side only when if you subtract 3 from each and every instance. Subtract 3 from here, subtract 3 from here, subtract 3 from here, guys. Then and then it goes left side, guys. Correct? Left side means subtraction. Subtract 3, guys. Simple. This is the simple shortcut that you can use, guys. Now what you have to do? First of all, you have to draw. See, while shifting operation, there is no change in the signal width, guys. There is no change in signal width. So what you have to do? Draw the same signal as it is without y-axis. Without y-axis. And perform the operation. And at the last, you can draw the y-axis. See, let us consider this question here. Let us consider this question, guys. -2, -1, 0, and this is 3. Amplitude is 1. Here amplitude is 3. Suppose this is x of t. Now I am asking to draw first. I am asking to draw first y1 of t, which is equal to y1 of t is equal to suppose x of t minus 4, guys. T minus 4. And second I am asking y2 of t, which is equal to x of t plus 5, guys. Okay. Now see, in this case, t minus 4, that means simply right shift, guys. Okay. Right shifting. And here, t plus 5, that means left shifting. Correct? So what you have to do, guys? See, what you have to do? Simply, first, y1 of t is equal to, first, guys, x of t minus 4. So right shift. So right shift only possible. This signal will goes right side only when if you add 4 in each and every instant, guys. On x axis, in each and every instant of time, if you add 4 in that, then and then right shifting possible, guys. So first of all, you have to draw the same signal without y axis. Without y axis, guys. Without y-axis. Now add 4 in each and every instance. So add 4 here, it become 2, guys. Then next add 4 here, then it become 3. Add 4 here, then it become 4, guys. And add 4 here, then it become 7. Now as this is 2, guys, so something around here, this is 0, guys, y-axis. This is 0, y-axis. So simply then draw the y-axis. That's it. Correct? This is the y-axis. Okay. There is no change in amplitude, guys. Amplitude remains same. It is 1 and this amplitude is 3, guys. Got it? So this is what y1 is equal to x of t minus 4. This simple shortcut you can remember, guys. Now second is y2 of t, which is equal to y2 of t is equal to x of t plus 5. T plus 5, guys. Okay. So here it is again without y-axis. Simply draw the signal as it is. without y-axis. Now here left shift only possible if you subtract 5 from this. So subtract 5 here, that is minus 7 guys. Subtract 5 from this, that is minus 6. Then next is minus 5. Then next is minus 2 guys. So this is minus 2, something around here. This is origin 0 guys. Clear? Then draw y-axis. Okay, now you can see there is no change in amplitude. This is x of t plus 5 and this is x of t minus 4. Done. Any doubt in this? Any doubt guys? Any doubt? Tell me in comment box. Is this clear to each and everyone? Is this clear to each and every student? So this is very much easy guys. This is very much easy. Okay. Now this is your time shifting operation. Now next operation is time scaling guys. Time scaling operation. So time scaling operation, that means y of t is equal to x of alpha into t. T become alpha t guys. T become alpha t, where this alpha is nothing but any scaling factor. It can be greater than 1, it can be less than 1 guys. This is what scaling factor. It can be greater than 1, it can be less than 1. Fine, it can be greater than 1, it can be less than 1. So let us consider the same example guys. Let us consider x of t is equal to 2 between minus 1 and 3 and amplitude is 0 otherwise. Draw it graphically. This is 1 between, sorry, amplitude is 2 between minus 1 and 3, amplitude is 2 guys. What is the width of this signal guys? Width, you can see here, width is 4. I'm asking to draw now, draw number 1, draw y1 of t equal to x of 3t guys, and second draw y2 of t is equal to x of t by 2. Clear? Okay. So in this case you can see the scaling factor. If you compare with standard format, compare this with standard format, then scaling factor alpha equal to 3, which is greater than 3, greater than 1, and in this second case alpha equal to 1 by 2, which is less than 1 guys. Okay, so first case I am taking y1 of t is equal to x of 3t guys. So you can see here, compare with standard format, alpha equal to 3 greater than 1 guys. Okay, now left hand side replace, you are replacing t with 3t, so right hand side, so everywhere you have to replace t with 3t guys, correct? T with 3t, so it is 2. Now minus 1 by 3 guys, and here it is 3 by 3, so it is 2 between minus 1 by 3 and 1, and it is 0 otherwise, correct? Of course it is 0 other than this range. Okay, so here, is there any change in signal width? Now tell me, is there any change in signal width? Now in this case, signal will not shift right side or left side by certain amount of time, correct? The origin place remains same guys, the origin place remains same, but now it is 1 between minus 1 by 3, it is 1 between minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 and 1, guys. Sorry, it is 2 between minus 1 by 3 and 1. So tell me, what is the width, guys? Here, what is the value of width? Now here, width you can see signal width t. So here signal width t is equal to, you can see 4 by 3, guys. Yes or no? Signal width is 4 by 3. Here signal width is 4, and after scaling, after time scaling, signal width is 4 by 3. Now tell me, time compression occurs or time expansion? Expansion of the signal or compression of the signal? Tell me. Expansion or compression, guys? Expansion or compression? Very good, guys. So here it is what, guys? Signal width decreases, so compression, guys. Compression, correct? Compression occurs. Okay, compression. So scaling factor you can see here greater than 1. So whenever scaling factor greater than 1, then compression, guys. Scaling factor greater than 1, then compression. Compression means signal width decreases, so you have to divide by 3, guys. See, x of 3t, that means compression. Compression means signal width decreases, and you have to divide by 3. See, minus 1 by 3 and here 3 by 3, guys. So you have to do the division, guys, correct? Here minus 1 by 3. See, this is 3t, guys. Shortcut. So 3t indicates compression, and it is only occurs only when divided by 3, minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 3, guys. Correct? Minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 3. Correct? So this is what first case. Now second case. Second case, y2 of t is equal to, it is x of t by 2, guys. So x of t divided by 2. X of t by 2. So x of t by 2. So amplitude is 2. Now t become t by 2. So left hand side t become t by 2. So right hand side also everywhere t become t by 2, guys. Correct? So here you can see minus 1 into 2 and you can see 3 into 2, guys. Correct? So it is 2 between minus 2 and 6, guys. And it is 0 otherwise. It is 0 otherwise. Now tell me, expansion or compression? Signal expansion occurs or compression, guys? In this case, x of t by 2, expansion or compression? So now it is minus between minus 2 and 6, guys. Minus 2 and 6. Minus 2x 6, amplitude is 2. Now observe the width, guys. Signal width. See the signal width, guys. Signal width is 8, guys. Correct? 8. Signal width is 8, guys. So here x of t by 2, guys. Scaling factor here, the scaling factor alpha equal to 1 by 2 less than 1. So whenever scaling factor less than 1, then expansion. Here time expansion, guys. Expansion here, scaling factor is less than 1. Whenever scaling factor less than 1, then signal expansion, guys. Signal expansion means what? You have to multiply with 2, guys. So multiply minus 1 with 2, multiply 3 with 2, guys. So if you multiply minus 1 with 2, it become minus 2, and here 3 with 2, that becomes 6, guys. So you can see here minus 2 to 6. So what is a simple shortcut that you can remember? Simple shortcut. See, first case, if y of t is equal to x of, suppose x of 3t, then compression, guys. X of 3t indicates scaling factor greater than 1. Here scaling factor is 3, which is greater than 1. That means compression. And in compression, simply what you have to do? divide by, remember, divide by 3, this shortcut. Okay, and here y of t, which is equal to x of t by 2, t by 2. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2, which is less than 1. That means time expansion. Expansion with, that means multiply with 2, guys. Correct? Multiply by 2. You have to multiply each and every instant with 2, guys. Fine? Clear to each and every one? Let us see one example. If you have any doubt, then please ask, guys. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Let us see the same example here. Okay. Same question. Okay. So first I'm asking x of 40 and here x of t by 2, guys. T by 2. Okay. So in first case compression, guys. First case compression, and second case, guys, expansion. Yes or no? First case compression, expansion. So what you have to do? Simply first case y1 of t is equal to x of 40. So draw the signal as it is first. Without writing the values on x-axis. Okay. So here now compression, guys. So compression occurs only when if you divide all the instant of time with 4, guys. So minus 2 divided by 4, minus 2 divided by 4, guys. So minus 2 divided by 4, so it become minus 1 by 2. This point is minus 1 by 4. This is 0 and this is 3 by 4. Now you can see the width, guys. You can see the width. So here width is total width is 5, and observe the width here, guys. Width is what? 5 by 4, guys. Yes or no? See here signal width is 5, and observe the width here, guys. Here the value of the signal width is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, guys. So it become what? 5 by 4. So signal width decreased by the same scaling factor. Correct? Same scaling factor. Here the scaling factor alpha equal to 4, which is greater than 1. So that's why compression. C stands for the compression. There is no change in amplitude. Here this is 1, this is 3, guys, and this is x of 40. Okay. Now second, guys. Second case y2 of t, guys. Second case y2 of t, which is equal to x of t divided by 3, guys. So what is the scaling factor here? Here you can see the scaling factor alpha equal to 1 by 3, which is less than 1, guys. Less than 1, that means expansion. Okay. This is the signal expansion, guys. Signal expansion. So expansion occurs only when if you multiply with 3 guys. So multiply by 3. So here it is minus 6 guys. Minus 6 multiply by 3, then it is minus 3, then this is 0, multiply by 3, this is 9 guys. There is no change in amplitude. No change in amplitude. Here it is 1, this is 3, and this is your x of t divided by 3 guys. T divided by 3. Now observe the value of width guys. Width. So what is the width of this signal? Width here it is width of this x of t is 5. And what is the width here guys? It is 15. Okay. So width also increased by the same factor. So here width is 15 guys. Correct? Which is nothing but we can say it is 5 into 3. 5 into 3. Done. I hope all the students are getting what I am saying guys. Okay, very good. Now tell me if you have any doubt, then you can ask guys. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, great. Okay, fine guys. So I hope all the students are getting. So today we completed total 2 topics guys. Now next operation is time reversal guys. So time reversal, that we will continue in next class guys. Correct? Next we will continue next class. In next class I will teach you guys. Here we are studying individual operation guys. Individual operation. Later we will see the multiple operations simultaneously. Like multiple operations simultaneously means y of t is equal to, suppose x of, you can see x of minus 2t plus 3 guys. Minus 2t plus 3. So you can see here, as you can see here, this is time shifting also present, time scaling also present, and t become minus t, that is time reversal also present guys. Then what first operation that we have to perform guys? Priority of the operation, like first shifting, then scaling, then time reversal, then first scaling, then shifting, then time reversal. So that priority also I will tell you. Okay, but we will see next class guys. Everything we will see in the next class. If you have any doubt in this class, then let me know. And we are providing class notes. We are providing class notes also every day. Okay, and I hope all of you knows how to download the class notes from the application. Correct? Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much watching me live on Gate Wallah English channel. And the next part we will continue into subsequent module. You have to provide your valuable feedback in comment box also guys. Okay, you have to provide your valuable feedback in comment box also, because your feedback is very much important for us guys. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much.